This book is a collection of essays and lectures that I've written over a period of about 40 years. The first essay in the collection was written in 1975, and the last one was written last year in 2015. And they're all around the same theme and variations on the theme, which is that of how lawyers use history. And lawyers use history in a variety of ways. The most common use, obviously, is as authority. When we cite precedent, we're saying, because we did something one way in the past, we should continue to do it today. Sometimes they use historical periods as a source of inspiration, like our founding, the golden age of American politics. And sometimes history is used as a series of examples of what we should be moving away from. At the founding of the Republic, these were autocratic monarchy and ecclesiastical tyranny and feudalism. In our day, they're things like slavery and the remnants of Jim Crow and of past invidious discrimination and so forth. But anyway, so history as used by lawyers has a lot of different modes, and so lawyers are, among other things, historians. They write stories about the past, and this book is partly a kind of an analysis of the way lawyers use history and the past, and it's also partly a history of the histories that lawyers write about the past. And my focus is basically on the lawyers' uses of history from the 17th century onward, and then it's a critical analysis of the various uses that lawyers make of history. The lawyers obviously are using history for present purposes, so it's very motivated history, which generally means that it's rather distorted and one-sided history. It's history put to use by advocates for a particular legal position. So one of the things that I'm trying to get at in this book is the various ways in which lawyers obscure or soften or modify aspects of the past that they think are dangerous to present projects. So the title of this book is Law in History, History in Law, Taming the Past, and the taming part of the title refers to the ways in which the lawyers try to make the past manageable, try to obscure or soften or modify the frightening, the unruly, disruptive, subversive, the aspects of the past.